We think that blockchain can be used in any industry. It could be used not only for fintech, payment, and cryptocurrencies, but it could be used actually for like real estate, shipping and supply chain, food safety, regulations, government-related activities. It can be used in healthcare. So I really believe that in a few 10 years, you're going to see more and more use of blockchain technology. I think that I like very traditional and complex industry. So, there are many people who are trying to do the new coins or currency, which is great, but the chance of success is very limited. But people who are trying to solve real problems like food safety or logistics, using blockchain to be ensured that the same product is tracked along the entire value chain, I think this has more chance to be very successful at scale very quickly. Why does people use the internet today? The first 10 years, nobody was using the internet except some researcher in Switzerland until someone invented the email. And people realized, wow, I can send a message to someone, and people love the email, right? A mobile phone without internet was not that useful, right? Even the electricity was discovered more than 100 years before people use it, because someone has to came with the light bulb, which was Edison. So you need the light bulb or the email discovery in the blockchain world. When you have that hurrah moment, then blockchain will become mainstream and everybody will use it. Today it's still quite limited to traders, fintech companies, currencies, and not yet to the mass market of consumers. So most of successful use cases always happen most of the time in very mature ecosystem. So for example, take the biggest fintech company ever invented to date, or two of them are PayPal and let's say Alipay, right? PayPal was invented because they were solving a problem on eBay. eBay had millions of users and there was a trust and payment issue between the buyer and the seller. And same for Alipay on Alibaba, right? On Taobao and so on. So I really believe the big innovation on blockchain will come in a very mature ecosystem where millions of consumers are facing this problem. It must be a market where you have connectivity, where people have purchasing power, where they use a big website. So it most likely will be in China, or maybe the US, maybe Brazil, Russia, one of the big countries. It's very unlikely that a very small country will come with a very mass market use case because their population is too small to get enough user, right? So I would bet on China. I think China or Japan will come with really an amazing product that the entire world will use. Think about today, who are the best in messaging, probably WeChat, right, and so forth. We can go on and go on. I think China is very well positioned to become a strong player in blockchain. Myself, I'm very passionate by blockchain for many years, but what happened in the past, let's say, 6 to 12 months, more and more startups, especially in the fintech sector, started to actually build technology based on blockchain. They were one of the first movers in that category, but also the first one to go and raise through ICO. So as a venture capitalist firm, when you see that half of the company you meet in a given sector like fintech are using blockchain or doing an ICO, it means you have to start being more active. So that's why we decided to come to this event, which is probably one of the best we attended so far.
Do you like it here?
I like it so much, yeah. It's very good.